Hello, my name is Bianca Monique. I am a loctician that has transitioned to doing wigs, wig making, and it's been hard for me to find good quality hair in Moreno Valley, which is where I'm coming from. The Moreno Valley, Riverside area, they have mostly straight hair, and it's not the best of quality. And it's really hard for me to shop online because I have a very small head, so when I shop for wigs and things like that, they don't really fit me. So coming here and being able to try out all the quality, I wanted to try just to browse around, but I ended up buying a lot of samples so I can try and make quality wigs. But the textures are really nice. They have everything from 10 inches to 30, quality from the straightest hair to the kinkiest of hair. So I'm very happy. I found them on Instagram. From what I understand, they have warehouses all over the place. So if you're in a place that doesn't have good hair, I would suggest checking them out. And if you can't come to an actual location, take it from me. The quality is great because you can't find this quality in like beauty supply stores for the price at all. So yes, I enjoyed my experience here. Thank you.